Hello everyone. Myself Danya from CSC. Today I'm here to interact with one of the achiever at Geetam. Let's introduce her. Hi Ka,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, Ka, I'm also doing good. How things are going in this pandemic?
Yeah, mm, we all feel we are stuck in between, but yeah, it's going on
Yeah.
somehow.
First of all, heartily congratulations that you got placed at Legato.
Thank you, thank you.
Akka, why did you choose Geetam?
Geetam was not my choice actually. I didn't even know that Geetam exists because Geetam is somewhere outskirts of Bangalore, right? So I didn't know. But one of my aunt suggested me, my cousin studies in the same college. So she suggested me and I came here. It, I think it's all went like that.
Yeah. You're from CSC, right? How was your experience
Yeah.
at Geetam as a CSC student?
It was mind blowing. Like I can never forget those 1.5 years. Unfortunately, we didn't get to spend more time in the campus, but those 1.5 years were so precious.
Like few days you were at hostel and also you're a day scholar for few days. How was that days when you were at hostel?
In hostel, it was nice experience. Like your friends will be next to your room, everything will be. Your parents won't be there, and it was nice. It was a kind of different experience. I think every person should experience hostel life at least once in their life. You can't get it anywhere, that kind of experience. It's it's nice.
Like you were enjoying a lot due to this pandemic, you were not able to.
Yeah.
Like very soon you will be missing Geetam. And you had any memories where you are really can't forget that from 4 years you had any memories.
Yeah, before this pandemic, we had Prerana. Those 2 days were so good, and rather than that, not big memories, but small memories with your friends. After our college, after our classes, we used to go for a walk in the campus, and we used to sit next to Heritage, and we used to chit chat. That was good memory. Those small moments is what we live for. So yeah.
Yeah. Like you used to chit chat more with friends. Like which was your hangout place at Geetam campus? More you used to hang out.
Like, like I said, next to Heritage, there's bushes, and we used to sit there a lot, and that was our hangout place. Even though security scolds us, we used to sit there more often.
Like you were enjoying with the bushes beside to
Yeah.
heritage. Yeah. Like you're from CSC department. How was your department? Like what are facilities you used to get from teachers and all lecturers?
Uh, yeah. If you ask anyone else, they'll say CSC is the most strict department. But no, if you are friendly with the lecturers, they'll be like a friend. They'll provide you everything with what you want. And even if you wanna do something else other than studies, if you wanna do some project or something else, they'll support you, and they'll guide you. So it was amazing.
When we come to career, like when did you start your preparations for placements?
I started my preparation after my third year, but it was not like I was studying seriously. But then our fourth year started, and our first drive was DXC. I didn't get into DXC. I didn't even clear my written test, so it was a great disappointment for me. So then, few of my friends got placed in DXC. I was scared. Will I get placed in any company? Why didn't I get it? So then I started studying seriously, like seriously. So yeah.
Like first drive in was like DXC, right? How was your experience? Like first company, how did you go through that struggles
Uh,
and all?
yeah, I was not completely prepared for DXC. I was still preparing. So, like I said, I didn't make it through DXC. So I was very pressurized. I was very scared, and it was that.
Yeah, yeah. Can you say about your company Legato?
Okay, Legato is a multinational company. It is located in US, Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Delhi. And for people who wanna start their journey, Legato is a very good company to start, and it gives many opportunities. Yeah, that's it.
Like what was the recruitment process at your company?
Recruitment process stays remains same for all the companies. Uh, Even for Legato, the first was aptitude test, and it was written test to check our writing abilities. And then, if you clear those tests, you'll get into interview. For us, both the HR and technical interview was in same slot. For few companies, it will be in two separate slots.
Like what all skills we need to gain? Like we need to know before going to any interviews.
Before going to any interview, like go through some previous interviews of that company. You'll get to know what they are expecting, and go through some basics of programming, data structures, and algorithm, and some basics. They'll not ask you deep because they are freshers. They don't expect you to answer everything, know everything. So some basics you have to learn, and you have to be confident. Even if you don't know the answer, you have to confident enough to say that you don't know that answer. And that's okay if you don't say the answer. If you say I don't know, uh, then you have to be strong in your communication skills. It plays a very good role. If you talk, if you are good at talking, if you are good at saying what's going on in your mind, then yeah, you are good to go.
Yeah, like we should be strong enough ourselves.
Yes.
Like basic coding part is enough than advanced and all, right? Basic is enough.
For interview, they'll not ask deeply, but for clearing a programming test, you need to learn C, C++. C, C++ is like it's compulsory. You have to learn. Along with C, C++, any language that you like is more than enough.
Like they say only one language is enough, right? We need to go through C++ or any one language is enough.
C, C++ is like a mother of all the languages. So it's a basic thing. C, C++ you have to learn. And along with that, it's better if you learn the one more language. Uh, it might be any language like Java or Python, any languages.
Okay. Like to build our communication skills, programming, code and all, would you suggest any platforms?
The communication skills, it will come by practicing, and before interview or before anything, stand in front of the mirror and talk to yourself, practice, And for coding, there's a platform, Prepinsta. I would like to suggest that. I went through it. Like everything, all the company details, everything is available in the same platform. I prefer that. Yeah.
Like some will be in mindset where due to this pandemic, they will be not, they will be saying like I did not gain that much knowledge. Even like it affected placements due to this pandemic. What is talk on that?
Like it depends on the person. Uh, Nothing will stop from anything. Like our reading, our learning part should not stop from anything. Even in this pandemic, there are many platforms which are providing resources, which are providing courses for us to learn, like Udemy, Coursera. There are many platforms like that, and like you can. There's no chance that both are connected.
Yeah, yeah. We should not stop ourselves. We should be learning.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like, would you say any tips to our juniors or for us before going to an interview? Any tips would you
Uh,
suggest?
yeah. Like, don't panic, keep calm. Nothing's gonna happen. That's okay if you don't make it. You are gonna get many chances. Don't panic. Anything happens, even if you don't know the answer or something went wrong, if you don't have a good connection, nothing will happen. Don't panic.
Yeah, we should not be panic. We should be
Yeah.
ourselves. Like, if there are any freshers to our college, what would you say about our college campus and placements, faculties? What would you say?
About campus, it's a very friendly campus. You'll have a bright future. And about placements, these people are so well versed in this, and they've been doing this since many years, and they know what all the in and out of it. So it's, you just have to trust them and do whatever they say. They'll they are they hold your back.
We should trust them.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like any suggestions to juniors?
Suggestions, nothing. Enjoy your life. Don't be only studying. No, enjoy your life and study at the same time, and keep a track of your life. Make a to-do list as soon as you get wake up, and keep a diary, write on everything. Help you. So enjoy your life.
Yeah. Finally, would you thank anyone from your side?
Yeah, I would like to thank my lecturers because they helped us a lot. Even when they know that we might probably sleeping or we might probably eating our food, they didn't stop. They didn't stop to teach us. And GCGC department, because they helped us a lot. Without them, it would have not possible. So I would like to thank them and my friends. They were there when I was low, and they were just there. I would like to.
Finally, really, it was great talking to you, Akka. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you so much for spending your time with me.
it was great talking to you as well. All the best for your future.
Thank you, Akka.